Why do we use alt text? Alt text is to convey the meaning of a type of graphical item. For example, if you go to a web page and an image does not load, if there's alt text associated with that image, it will display the alt text, which will describe the image. The other reason to use alt text is to provide accessibility for those with visual impairments who use screen readers to read the information on the screen. So if there's an image, the user will not be able to see that image due to the visual impairment, and the screen reader will read the alt text if it has been associated with that object. A couple of the screen readers, for example, would be JAWS or Microsoft Narrator. How do we add alt text in Excel? There are a couple of different ways. You can click on the chart and then right-click and go to View Alt Text, or click on the chart and go to Format and choose Alt Text. Either way will bring you to this pane, which will enable you to type your alt text here. So I've already typed this information into the alt text box. You want to keep it somewhat succinct, but that depends on your purpose. Now, if you go to File and Info, you can check for issues and check the accessibility, and this will tell you if there are any issues with accessibility. For the alt text, there are no issues because we entered that alt text for that image. If I turn on the Microsoft Narrator, you can see that it will read what's on the screen.
A1, selected, editable, column 2, row 2, item, demo.
I can use buttons to get around on the screen, but if I click on
The chart describes the total current and estimated expenses by city. The lowest expenses are in High Point.
Therefore, the screen reader will be able to read the alt text to convey the meaning of that chart to the user.